In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC. First of all, you're going to open any browser in your system and then you're going to type into the search box for GTA San Andreas. After that, you will be able to see here the top link from the official website of Rockstar Games, which is the publisher of GTA San Andreas. So you're just going to click on that. After that, you're going to click on Buy Now button from the left side of your screen. Once you have done that, you are going to scroll down and then you are going to click on Buy Now. And beside Buy Now, you will also be able to see here the price of GTA San Andreas in your location. So you're just going to click on that. Then you're going to sign in to your Rockstar account. But if you don't have one, you can scroll down and then click on Create an account. First of all, you're going to select here your date of birth. And then just enter here the further information, which includes your email, password, nickname and your country. And after that, you can just click on next and your Rockstar account will be created. Once you have created your account, you can type in here that email address which you entered while creating your account and that password. And once you have done that, you can just click on sign in. Then you will be signed in to your Rockstar account. And now you will be able to select here any of these payment methods. Once you have done that, you can just enter here your payment information and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be able to download GTA San Andreas on your PC.